Hi, I'm Carrie, and this is my Murphy drawer, and this is my library. Follow me. This is my happy place. My husband got tired of books everywhere because I refuse to use a library because every time I finish a book, it is actually a trophy to me. For our anniversary a couple of years ago, he built this for me. And for Mother's Day last year, he gave me a Murphy door, and it was just really special. It was a finishing touch in my library here. Come on in and I'll show you a little bit more. I love this library ladder here. It was built in Chicago by the Schwinn Company, and my husband and I met in Chicago, so it meant a lot to me. This is another fun piece that we have in here. It is actually Legos, who would have thought, and it is functional to some extent. My kids and my husband and I put this together on our family vacation this year. These are kind of some of my collectible books. I have this amazing collection that I got from one of my favorite bookstores, the San Marco bookstore in Jacksonville, Florida. And they have new books, they have old books. This is actually from about 1886. I love that I get to come in here and just kind of spend time and get away from everything and be quiet. It's just really sweet to be able to come here and read, and I can hide behind this door. If the door's closed, they know Mom wants quiet time, and I love it.